We want to show you guys how our employees professional and they know the measurement by eye. Over here, 12 inches.
It's 1 foot.
You tell me where? Right here?
Like this, yeah.
You sure?
1 foot.
Wow, half inch off. Exactly at 11 inches. One more. Pull it, open it. Just 12, yeah. You 1 inch off.
Oh, good, right?
Okay. Max. No, what do you mean? This is the guy that always runs.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, go ahead.
You were right the first time. Still 1 inch off. Check out. You sure? This is it. Wow, 11 and 5/8.
Yeah.
Like that? You sure?
Yes, 100%.
No, way off. 10 and a half.
Oh, man.
12 inches, 1 foot. Wow, 12. Exactly. 13. Точно? Було нормально. Не надо інч більше. Where is it 12 inches? You're good. 14. 1 inch. This is much better. This is good.
Wow.
Wow, exactly. To know by eye the inches and the feet.
About there.
Well, you're not bad. You're 1 inch off. 12 inches? You know what's 12 inches? Tragedy, 12 inches. Wow, not bad. Let's see how good I am. Should I do like some people cheating? Can you lock it? Just don't move it. 12 and a half. So my grandpa always said, 7 times measure and only once cut.